Hello, I'm Andy Zuccaro from the AZCO Corporation. At AZCO, we offer many different units that feed and cut flexible materials. In order to maximize the life between blade sharpenings, we offer different types of materials and blade coatings which are matched up with your material and with your application. Here are some examples of the different blades that we offer. This is our standard D2 blade. D2 is a very tough, durable blade which has a Rockwell hardness of 55 to 60. Having a hard, tough, durable blade is ideal in cutting applications. This material is also used in punching applications for punching car parts and other applications requiring durability. Advantage of having ductility is that the blade is hard, but yet it does not crack or chip under most applications. On top of this blade, we offer several different coatings, and I'm going to show you some of the different options we offer. Here's our standard D2 blade, and we have placed a release coating on top of the surface. This release coating is ideal for applications where you're cutting materials that have an adhesive on it. With a blade that does not have the release coating, over time the adhesive builds up on the blade to the point when the blade stops cutting. This release coating doesn't add hardness, but adds the ability for the adhesive not to build up as quickly. We've had applications where only after a couple of dozen cuts, the standard D2 blade would build up with adhesive and stop cutting, where with the blade with the release coating can go an entire shift before it needs to be wiped down. There's no guarantee that it will prevent buildup. It just extends the life between needing to wipe the blade down from the adhesive. This is our standard D2 blade without any coatings. The blade in my left hand has a titanium nitride coating. The advantage of the titanium nitride coating is that it's a very hard coating in the range between carbide and diamond. With this coating placed on top of the D2 blade, it has the characteristics and benefits of the D2, which is ductility. So we have a blade that's very hard, yet it's ductile, so it is not likely to crack or chip compared to extremely hard blades like carbide. With this extra coating on there, we can extend, in most cases, the blade life from 2 to 4 times over our standard D2 blade. Also, the coating has lubricity, which means it's somewhat slippery, and it's also an FDA-accepted material where it's important for applications requiring that. This is a blade with the proprietary hard coat. The hardness of this blade is in the range of diamond. With this coating, the blade life is generally 5 to 10 times the blade life of a typical D2 blade. The coating is impregnated into the surface of the material, which prevents any kind of peeling or chipping during normal applications for the entire life of this blade. Here's a carbide blade. A carbide blade cutting edge is extremely hard, and it has a blade life of 3 to 6 times of a D2 blade. The advantage of the carbide blade is that compared to the coatings that I had mentioned earlier, when the blade needs to be sharpened, there's no need to recoat the blade. One of the advantages in places you would use this carbide blade is when you're cutting materials that are bulletproof materials, highly abrasive materials, or materials where you want long life between blade sharpenings. A caution to be aware of with carbide blades is since the blade is so hard, that if the blade is not set properly in knife assembly, it can chip or crack because of improper setting or improper application. Please give us a call so that we may be able to help you selecting the proper blade for your knife assembly. We are here to help and serve you and look forward for an opportunity to work with you.